Hello students, welcome back to Karthikesh Academy. So this is the next chapter of NCERT class number 6, that is rural livelihoods. So this topic is very simple, but the idea is about this topic is when somebody has started a business, either agriculture or something else, if something there is a loss, who is going to take care of it? So that is what the thing we have to discuss in this topic. So in the first chapter we have discussed about many diversity in our lives. We also explored how living in the different regions have an effect on the work of the people. So the kinds of plants, trees, crops, the things that become important to them. So in this topic, he's trying to explain about a Kalpattu village where how many people are working in Tamil Nadu, especially in sea coast area, what kind of works they are doing it, especially pots, bricks, bullock carts, and different kinds of works they are doing it, nurses, teachers, watermen, washermen, weavers, barbies, etc. So the idea is what kind of work they are doing it, and if you go and forward this topic, which is not at all important for your exam, but I can tell you there is one important topic called on being adept. So as you hear read about, very often farmers like Shekhar need to borrow money to purchase basic things like seeds, fertilizers and pesticides. Often they borrow this money from money lenders. So if the seeds are not good quality or pest attack or their crops can be a major crop failure. So this is one of the most important aspect of agriculture farmers especially. So even they're going for losses, still they're going for agriculture. So what kind of government is doing loan waiving policies? What kind of policies are there? What is called Kisan Credit Card? What is laboratory to land program? So all these things will definitely help to understand more about this topic. Right? The crops can also be ruined if the monsoon does not bring enough rain. So when this happens, farmers sometimes are unable to pay back their loans. So because of this is when we can say that they are caught in debt. The recent years, this has become a major cause of distress among the farmers. In some areas, this has also resulted in many farmer suicide. సో ఈ ఫార్మర్ సూసైడ్ అనేది ఒక 10 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్గా మనం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్ హీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ ఇన్ ది నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ స్లైడ్స్. సో అనదర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టెర్రస్ ఫార్మింగ్ ఇన్ నాగాల్యాండ్. సో మనం జాగ్రఫీలో అగ్రికల్చర్ సంబంధించి ఫార్మింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ చూసినప్పుడు సో ఈ కోఆపరేటివ్ ఫార్మింగ్ అని మిక్స్డ్ ఫార్మింగ్ అని చదువుతాము. దాంతోపాటు టెర్రస్ ఫార్మింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఈ హిల్ ఏరియాస్లో వాటర్ స్టోరేజ్ జరగదు, అందుకని ఇలా టెర్రస్ అని కట్టి వాటర్ స్టోరేజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ విలేజ్ కాల్డ్ Chigami, which is a Perk district of Nagaland. The people of this village belongs to a Chakinsang community. They do terrace cultivation. This means that the land on a hill slope is made into flat plots and carved out into steps. So because of this, it will retain the water. This allows the water to stand in the field, which is the best for rice cultivation. The same thing he has explained, just did once. Right? So who are agricultural laborers and farmers in India? So he's trying to explain who are small farmers like Shekhar, who are facing a lot of issues because of this because of the lack of monsoon and because of the pesticides, etc. So right, yeah, so nothing is very great about it. Similarly, selling milk in village cooperative society or taking milk to the nearby to the cooperative societies గురించి ముఖ్యంగా ఈ అమూల్ అనేది కూడా ఒక కోఆపరేటివ్ సొసైటీ. సో ఆ విషయాన్ని ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు, బట్ స్టిల్ సో యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఎన్ ఐడియా అబౌట్ ఇట్, రైట్ స్టూడెంట్స్? సో దెర్ ఇస్ nothing much difficulty in this chapter. Only thing is how the marginal farmers or the farmers they survive even because of the failure also, right? Thank you very much.